This is a Melodiana, 41 piano keys, 120 basses. There's 4 sets of reeds in the right hand. 1 low, 2 middles, and a high. I'll go through and demonstrate them. The low switch is the organ switch, which is the low and the high. The next is the piccolo. Then we have the clarinet. Then we have the bassoon. Then the master switch. Tuba. Bandoneon. Violin, which is your 2 middle. Pretty dry. And then finally at the top you have musette, which is piccolo plus the 2 middle. The left hand, you have 1 bar that gets pressed and it changes to the other setting. So there's 2 different bass settings here. Let's see what we're at now. Okay. So we have a and then the other one. Cool. All right, so let's play a little musette.